The Ministry of Corporate Affairs is shaking up things by transporting all the firms from V2 to V3. We all have heard about changes related to auditors firm, that is ATT 1, 2, 3 and 4, which will be effective from July 14, 2025. Let's break down and understand what are the changes. In web form ADT 1, auditor appointment, there are two changes. First, audit committee recommendation. The board must now declare whether they have considered audit committee recommendation while appointing an auditor or not. This will boost transparency and accountability. Second is audit firm detail. The form requires detail of audit firm member who have signed the financial of company, boosting the transparency. In web form ADT 2, removal of auditor. Proof of service. The company is required to give proof of serving notice to the auditor who is being removed, giving them last chance to act against removal proceedings. In web form ADT 3, resignation of auditor. Now SRN of ADT 1 filed for auditor appointment is required to be given, enhancing traceability and linkage between appointment and resignation of auditor. Now ADT 4, that is firm reporting a fraud, has become a digital form rather than a physical form. Now it is available in V3 portal for filing purpose. All these changes made by MCA recently aims at enhancing transparency and accountability, also streamlining e-filing process. Let's adapt quickly and stay compliant and updated. For query related to ADT forms, you can comment below or DM me, or you can even drop a mail in jagritimishra185@gmail.com. Happy filing, stay updated.